So today on MTD, we welcome James Fudge from the MTA. It's Friday afternoon. Some breaking news, in fact, today. We've just heard that the Prime Minister has COVID-19. James, how are you keeping down there or across there in London? I think you're over in Essex, aren't you?
I am, yes. So, we're all keeping well. Our London office is closed at the moment, so everyone's working remotely. But no, the MTA team are all good.
Okay, now the purpose of this catch-up really on Friday afternoon is to talk about what is now MACH 2021. Could you just tell us what's been happening in the last week or so since we spoke to Paul O'Donnell?
Yeah, so since then we've gone out to all our exhibitors and we have sent out new letters of variation. So for people looking to carry their contracts across, they can now do so. So they're signing up to that, and it means that their original MACH 2020 contract is now valid. And thankfully, from huge support from our members and exhibitors, we've got over half of that reconfirmed already in less than a week.
I've been very encouraged actually in talking to a lot of our audience that were going to the show that are obviously now going to be going in 2021. When you build up to an exhibition, there's always something you think, oh, I'm not going to quite have time to do that, or that particular product's not just going to reach us in time for the event. And now it's kind of been pushed back. That means that there is an opportunity there to maybe highlight those things that you may have not quite had the time to do.
Massively. I mean, there's a couple of people who originally were looking at the show and then were concerned because they were signing deals in sort of June, July this year, who have now said, no, we're definitely committed because they'll be more than ready for January. Similarly, we've also had a good number of inquiries of people that can actually do the new dates and couldn't do the original ones. So we're actually seeing an increase in exhibitor numbers, which is always a positive thing.
And I think it was the right thing to do, obviously, to move it to then. The people that had registered to attend the show in April, what happens with those? Do they just get moved down to be going in January as well? Do they have to re-register?
Yeah, so all visitor registrations will be carried across. We contact all our visitors before the show anyway. Last year we made 46,000 phone calls to ring everyone that was pre-registered. And what we do is just confirm their attendance, see which day they're coming. Closer to the show, they will still get the usual badge, pre-reg pack and map floor plan, so they'll be able to start planning their day. But we'll just carry those visitor registrations straight across.
Now it's longer days in January, isn't it? You've got the extended hours. It's a 4-day event, but with the extended hours. Can you just remind us of the dates that the actual show is going to take place, James?
Yes, so the show's taking place 25th to the 28th of January. We were really lucky. I mean, the NEC have worked really closely with us, and we've been able to confirm exactly the same halls. So it means that we've got exactly the same layout. Great for exhibitors because it means they don't need to replan all their stands, etc. But yeah, as we say, we've extended the day slightly, so we've still got the same number of open hours of the show, or near enough.
Good stuff. And as you said, people that are now thinking that they want to attend the show. I mean, I think we know that when industry recovers from what's going on at the moment, there is going to be a significant upturn and demand for promotion of products and for engineers to get out and see the latest technology and hopefully embrace it in order to make them more productive. James, I do just want to touch on the virus from the MTA. Is there anything that you've been hearing from your members, talking to your members about, and any support you can give industry at this time?
So obviously there's a number of questions going around, and I know Paul O'Donnell covered some of this last week when he was on. But we've got a dedicated page on our website. So if you go to mta.org.uk, on the homepage there's a COVID-19 update, and we're updating that quite regularly. You'll see all the archived ones from previous days on there. That's got all the latest information as we get it, information on bridging loans, furloughing people, and kind of other details around where we're at the moment.
Okay, good stuff. Keep safe, James. Thanks for joining us today, and no doubt we'll be having another update from you on MACH 2021 in due course. There you have it. MACH has been postponed and moved to January 2021. It is going to be a great exhibition, as it is always. You can register at their website. Thank you very much, James. Keep yourself safe down there in Essex. So there you have it. MACH 2020 has been postponed to MACH 2021, as you'll know, and is happening on the dates that James said. You can still register for the event at the MACH exhibition website. And of course, if you are looking to exhibit in the early part of 2021, then contact James and his team at the MTA. That's it from me today here at MTD CNC.